I thought I'd just come and share my nearly completed journal. I said I'd come back on. I've kind of done the cover without sharing. I'm sorry, I just kind of got on with it. So I've layered over with some black cardstock. I've used another image from the, oh gosh, I've forgotten what name it's called. I'll put the name of it in the title. It's from Artemis, and this here is one of the freebies from her Facebook group files. So if you remember, you can go and use, you know, she posts freebies, and I've just used some more paper from the kit to do the back, and I've done the side, so it just strengthens it a little bit. It is only cardstock. I did do a tutorial. I'll link it as a suggested video at the end of this video, because I did show you how to make the basic structure of it, and then the rest is decorated. So I just want to fancy up the cover a little bit. So I've got some bits and bobs of flowers. These are out of my very old shabby chic stash. Very old. And I've got my glue gun on. And one thing I want to do is I want to just add this little metal handle here. Don't know why, I just feel like I do. And I'm just gonna I'm going to actually hot glue that on. It should stick, it'll be fine. I'm just gonna glue that on there. I just don't want to get glue on this unit, because this is not actually a table, this is a little bookshelf in my craft room. So I've got that little handle there now, so I can, you know, the user can open it with that. Or my idea is to put some seam binding through it as a closure, but I'm going to do that in a minute. So first of all, I want to put a little cluster of flowers here. So these I've had in my stash for about 100 million years. I think they're from Pound Shop. So anybody who's been with me and followed my channel a long time and seen my shabby chic crafting used to get my flowers from Wild Orchid Crafts when they were based in UK, but they are no more. So I think they've gone to a foreign company, and I won't pay their postage, so I have to make do. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my Big Shot out, and I'm going to make, I can make my own flowers. I'm just a bit lazy. It's hard work to make one flower, and it's easier to buy them. So I'm using some broken china here, and I'm just going to put some colour on these. They're only from Pound Shop, but it's quite nice thick paper that these are made out of. I think it's mulberry paper, to be honest. So yeah, spray it with a bit of water to activate that ink, and then it'll seep into the paper. Just give it a bit of a helping hand with a brush. You don't need to be a delicate flower with these things. You can just get on with it and get it, and that will just subtly change the colour of that. Let's move that out of the way. Just grab my elegant crafting cleaning cloth. You're not a proper crafter unless you've got an inky rag somewhere. It's as simple as that. If you haven't got an inky rag somewhere near you, you're not a proper crafter. I'm only kidding. Right, so let's get that on there. I want to curl these. Let me find something to curl them with. There we go. We'll use a pencil, wrap it around, and then the spirals can be part of the decoration. And that nice and tight. And then, oops. And then when these have dried a bit, I might add some glossy, not glossy accents, some stickles or something similar. Just wants to go up there. There we go. A bit of interest on there. Let's get that stuck on with some hot glue. I used to hot glue everything, absolutely everything. I very rarely use it now, to be honest. Very rarely. And then when those flowers have dried, I'll be able to fluff them up a little bit. And I'm going to just cut that one a bit shorter. Just bear with me. So just thought I'd come on and do some general crafting. Now in specific, I just thought I'd share. I'm just going to cut that down. It's a little bit long. bit too long, cut that one down. And turn that into a spiral, fluff them petals up, and we're going to stick it about there. Okay, that one like that. Okay, I've got somebody in mind for this. I know who it's going to. Hopefully she will, well, I know she will like it. She likes journaling like I do. So, let's stick that one there. And just put that up against there. We've just got that nice little cluster there now. I'm going to push that in. I quite like some of these little pale ones here. I have a couple of them, I think. Push the petals out a little bit and trim that wire. And we'll just put them up into there, like so. Okay. Just flatten that out a bit. There we go. And stick that one in there so you can just about see the J for journal, and we've just got that little flurry of flowers there. Like I say, once those are dry I'll put some stickers, but the paper, that mulberry paper on them flowers is a little bit sticky and wet at the moment, so we'll leave that as it is. I've got my little handle, so now I want to just I think that's quite cute. Alright, we've got the little handle to open it. I've shown you in a video before all of the inside of it. I might just make myself some seam binding. Let's have a look. Don't know whether to turn it blue or just leave it white. I think I need to turn it blue. So what we'll do is, let's just use this mat. A little bit of, I hope that's not going to be too bright. Am I running out of water? I'm running out of water. Hold on, I've got some water in here. There we go. Nice and messy. I'll be getting bleach out later because my hands will be absolutely covered. Right. Nice. Give it a rub. Scrub a dub. There we go, that'll do. Right, let me get my heat gun. Just bear with me 1 minute. I'll get my heat gun on it. You might want to turn your volume down while I give this a bit of a dry. 1 minute. Make it nice and crinkled. Nice messy crafting, it's good for you. It's good for your mental health crafting. If you don't do it, you go mental. I do anyway. There we go, that'll do. It's still a little bit damp, but it'll be alright. It won't do any harm to my journal. So what I'm going to do is just make them ends even. Okay, and then I'll just put it through there, through my little handle like so. Alright, and then I'll just wrap it around. And sorry for the funny end there. For some reason my camera is just not recording all of my tutorials. I'm going to have to maybe check my memory card or get a new camera, not sure. So anyway, you saw me do the seam binding, and I've wrapped it through the little handle there and tied it in a lovely, lovely fluffy bow, so the person who receives it can use it as a closure, or perhaps take the seam binding off and use it. We've got the little flower cluster here which is nearly dry, so I may well just put some stickers. You can probably hear a lecture in the background with her mixer. She's doing a chocolate cake. Oh, yum. So there we go. That's a lovely, lovely little journal. I will, like I say, leave the link to how to construct this in the description box below, or as a suggested video in the thumbnail. So I hope you like that. I'm going to start a new kit now. I'm not sure which one I'm going to do. I've got a few in the pipeline. I think I might do Alice in Wonderland next. We'll see. Thanks for watching. Bye.